In front of me is Honor 70 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access System and Updates. Following that, tap on Simple Mode, hit Enable, and wait. As you can see, Easy Mode is now on. If you want to go back to the standard one, locate Devices Settings again, tap on Exit Simple Mode at the bottom, and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!